Now today, let's start with chapter number 9, Simple Machine. In this chapter, we will study about simple machine. What are the different types of simple machine? Now again, with the rod attached in the center, you have to write the names of these simple machines. First I will explain you in the chapter. Later on, we do various types of work in our daily life. To do some work, our hands consume our muscular energy. कुछ काम करने के लिए जो हमारे hands हैं वो क्या कंज्यूम करते हैं muscular energy, but some work are too different to do. Hand consume muscular energy, but some work are too difficult to do by hand. Then name some simple machine. क्योंकि वो difficult है, आप हाथ से नहीं कर सकते. That's why what we use simple machine. Simple machine, even in everyday human beings try to use some tools to make their work easier. These tools are in fact simple machines which are still being used today. Machines helps us making our work easier and faster with less force. Some machines like pulley change the direction of force को change. Now types of simple machine we have divided into 6 groups. Like we have lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. Lever, it is a rigid bar or rod that rests on support called fulcrum. A simple machine है, ये lift करती है heavy weight with minimum amount of effort. In order to move big stone with hands or with the help of stick, a person needs to apply a lot of force. But this small stone is kept as support below the root, and a force is applied from the other end, and the stone moves with the less effort. In given example, a big stone called load, the force applied is referred to as effort, and the small stone which provides support is known as fulcrum. जो आपको support दे रहा है वो क्या है? Fulcrum है. Right? The longer the rod of the lever, the easier it is. It moves the load and also placing the fulcrum near the load. What it reduces? It reduces the force to move. Like the example, हम hammer, tongs, scissors, pliers और nail clippers का use करते हैं. Now, जो leveler होता है उनको हमने categorized करा है under 3 different classes: fulcrum, load and effort. Now, classes of lever. Depending upon the position of load, effort and fulcrum, first class lever होता है जिसमें fulcrum को कहाँ रखा जाता है? load और effort के बीच. fulcrum का होता है load और this is your fulcrum. load और effort के बीच में क्या होता है? fulcrum होता है. Second class lever में क्या होता है? load is placed between the fulcrum and effort and bottle of the load. ठीक है, wheel bear हो गया. ये किससे एग्जाम है? second class lever. Then we have third class. The effort is placed between the fulcrum and load, and our arms, pair of tweezers, pair of tongs. What are these? These are the example of third class lever. Now we have an inclined plane. जो sloping surface है with one end higher than the other. It is small effort is needed to raise a heavy. इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा ही effort need पड़ती है. And the inclined plane is also used as rolly sides down object. A road uphill, ramp and a slide in a path. These are the example of inclined. Then we have screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around the cylinder in the form of spiral. The jack used for lifting vehicle and the bottle lid are the example of screw. Then wheel and axle. Wheel is not a machine in itself. It becomes a machine only after connecting with a rod. जब भी मशीन बनती है जब एक रॉड से कनेक्ट होते हैं इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एक्सेल कहते हैं. They are used for moving heavy loads with ease. A bicycle, car, truck, swing machine, cursor, walls, what are these? These are the example of simple. Then we have pulley. It is a wheel with grooves along its edges holding a rope. It is pulled from one side to pull on the heavy weight attached to others. क्योंकि जो pulley है, there are 2 types: fixed that movable. कुछ fixed होता है, कुछ movable होता है. This type of pulley is fixed to some support. It makes work easier by changing the direction of the pulley. The most commonly used is belts and flat. Movable pulley, this type of pulley is not attached to any support. इनसे हम heavy object को lift करते हैं and they are used along with fixed pulley to lift heavy load like crane. Then we have wedge. It is a double inclined plane in the shape of V. It is usually one side is sharper than other. They are often used to separate things: an axe, knife and a blade. What are these? These are the example of wedge. These were the different types of simple machine that I have told you. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.